Hello to all our viewers. Welcome to Nisha Lakshmi world. Hope you all are doing good. Today we bring to you vegetable sagu. This dish is made using variety of vegetables, spices and herbs, and the speciality of this dish is that it goes well with anything. So without much delay, let's get cooking. Please do consider to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on our new videos published. For this, I will be taking veggies such as beans, carrot, turnip, potato, frozen peas. For sauteing, I will be taking one medium-sized onion which is finely chopped, 2 medium-sized tomatoes which is finely chopped, and for grinding I will be taking 6 cashews, 12 green chilies or according to your spice tolerance, quarter cup of coriander leaves, quarter cup of mint leaves, 1 inch of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, and 1 cup of grated coconut. Now to a mixer jar, let's add in all the ingredients which would be required for grinding, and we shall grind it to a coarse paste without adding any water. Typically when poppy seeds is used in grinding, it's better to avoid water initially so they get well ground. Once we grind it coarsely, then we shall add water and grind it into a fine paste. The coarse paste is ready. So now I shall be adding water to it and grinding it into a fine paste. Now the ground masala is ready. Next, into a heated pressure cooker, add in sufficient amount of oil or ghee. Once it's heated, add in the chopped onions and saute until translucent. Once the onions turn translucent, add in the chopped tomatoes and saute until soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are nice and soft, add in the ground masala paste and fry until the raw smell has gone. Once the raw smell has gone and it has turned aromatic, add in the veggies. Give everything a good mix. Add in sufficient amount of water to cook the veggies. Mix well everything. Add in salt according to taste. Once mix well everything. Allow it to come to a nice boil. Check for salt and spice at this point and adjust if required. Then cover the lid and let's pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Now let's take a look on how our veggies have cooked. It has cooked perfectly. Now let's bring it to a nice boil for another 5 to 6 minutes or until it reaches the desired consistency. As the sagu has reached the desired consistency, I shall turn off the stove. Vegetable sagu is ready to be served. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.